everyone, myself Arpit and I am here for a poem recitation, and my poem title is Unity is Strength. There is a proverb, united we stand, divided we fall. 10 sticks together unbreakable, but can be broken if given to all. Wind can easily blow dust, but cannot move a rock. Birds trapped in net united, along the net flew the flock. As well, if people are united for a valid and right cause, there is no reason their efforts will fall.
Today I want to discuss about unity. Unity is not only a word but also something that combines everyone. I spread the message of hope and of unity. That's what gets me up in the morning. To be real must stand several strings without breaking. Unity can never be built with the tools of division. The reason why the world lacks unity and lies broken is because the man is disunited from himself. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, and working together is success. So let's come together to fight with COVID-19 disease, and yes, definitely we will win.
Unity is strength means that if we all stand together, we will be strong mentally, physically and emotionally. Great things can be achieved by teamwork and mutual support. When most of the people suffer from loneliness and depression, such a neighborhood can be turned into a boon for them. The same applies in the context of our country. If we stop fighting in the small talk among ourselves, we can never grow as a big nation. The saying applies not only to a professional but also a personal life of a society, of a nation. If the people are living happily in a society, then everyone loves them. They even protect their neighbor's house when they are not at home. They help them in stress and they help each other in every task.
Wake up everybody, yeah, 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 yeah. We are all VIP, we are all VIP. With some hard work and community, with some hard work and community. You and me, I to you. In
Corona, oh Corona, don't think we cannot defeat you. Our unity is our strength, and together we all will cheat you. You made a lot of people suffer, but don't think that we cannot recover. We will recover soon. Our willpower is strong and we will not let you survive for long.
गुजर जाएगा, मुश्किल बहुत है लेकिन वक्त ही तो है, गुजर जाएगा। जीने का जो ये जज्बा है, फिर उभर आएगा। माना मौत चेहरा बदल कर आई है, रात काली है, भयानक है, गहराई है। जीने का जो ये जज्बा है, फिर उभर आएगा।
फिर से एक नया सवेरा होगा, व्यस्त जब जीवन हमारा होगा। खुली हवा में सांस लेंगे सब, फिर डरकाना डेरा होगा। मास्क सैनिटाइजर सब हट जाएंगे, बेपर्दा हर चेहरा होगा। लेकिन तब तक विश्वास रखना उस ईश्वर पर, तभी ये इम्तिहान सफल तेरा होगा, मेरा होगा, हमारा होगा, फिर से एक नया सवेरा होगा, व्यस्त जब जीवन हमारा होगा।
What if unity spread like corona, from person to person, from city to city and from country to country, where everyone was under a strict order to love each and everyone as their themselves, upholding, loving, kindness and unity with their whole heart, whole mind and whole soul, and with their whole strength. A pandemic of unity would bring the whole world together.
Thank you.
Be united, be a nation. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
Thank you for listening my poem. Have a great day.